jumping all day, splashing in the water, hooray, hooray. B is for bear, so big and sweet, eating yummy honey, what a tasty treat. C is for cat, soft and small, playing with a ball, she runs in the hall. D is for dog with a wagging tail, he loves to bark and chase his trail. For elephant, so big and kind, spraying cool water, fun you'll find. F is for fox, clever and bright, running through the forest in the moonlight. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, reaching high branches for leaves to eat. H is for hippo, big and round, splashing in the water, making funny sound. Iguana, green and slow, climbing on the tree, watch him go. J is for jellyfish, swimming so free, glowing in the ocean, shining for me. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high, carrying her baby, hopping by. L is for lion, brave and strong, roaring loudly all day long. N is for narwhal, brave and strong, roaring loudly all day long. N is for narwhal, with a long horn, swimming in the sea from night to morn. O is for owl, wise and bright, hooting softly all through the night. P is for penguin, sliding on ice, waddling around, oh so nice. Q is for quail, small and shy, walking in the meadow, flapping by. R is for rabbit, hopping with cheer, crunching on carrots, yummy and clear. S is for snake, sliding slow, hissing softly as he goes. T is for tiger, fast and strong, running through the jungle all day long. U is for unicorn, magical and bright, galloping under rainbow light. V is for vulture, flying up high, soaring gently in the sky. W is for whale, big and blue, splashing in the ocean too. X is for X-ray fish, shiny and bright, see-through body, glowing light. Is for the yak, furry and strong, climbing the mountain